Let's talk about this matter between Mercy Chinwo and the husband. You know, this matter has been flying up and down about the child. You know, there are so many speculations about the story that the child resemble one gospel artist called Natalia Bassi. But if you want to pay attention to this story, you have to look very well before you talk. I see Natalia Bassi going to court, trying to take 3 people to court, accusing him of impregnating Mercy Chinwo. See, the thing is very simple. Instead of taking people to court, wasting money, for you to build your trust and say you are innocent to this kind of thing, DNA is very simple to take. DNA is very simple to go and take. If you say you do not have any affair with Mercy Chinwo, Natalia Bassi, allow DNA process to take place. Because reasonable person will look at that child and look at Natalia Bassi and say, this is Natalia Bassi's son. So instead of wasting money going to court, trying to take those people to court in one way or the other, why don't you take the same money, go to the hospital, consult DNA test for that child, and prove to the world that you are innocent? In that way, you will build more trust. In that way, you can now fight anybody want to fight. You cannot have any DNA test result. You want to go and take people to court by saying that this child belongs to you. So these are the things we should pay attention to. These are the things we should look into. Taking it to the court cannot change anything. If that child is your son, it's your son. If that child is not your son, it's not your son. Nigeria and social media make people now to investigate what they're not supposed to investigate. So for you to remain in the industry, this advice is going to Natalia Bassi. For you to remain in the industry and build people trust again, follow the due process. Taking these people to court, wasting money, cannot change anything. Like that, it will tarnish your image. Because as you are taking it to court, that shows in one way or the other that child belongs to you. But when you go and conduct the DNA test for that child, it will prove everybody who is suspecting you wrong. So that's my advice to Natalia Bassi on this issue. Share the video. Share the video.